Hi. Today we will see how to use the trace precedents and dependents options in Microsoft Excel. I have some data in an Excel sheet here. Here I have the names of the items. Here's the price of the items. And here's the final amount of the items. Then we have a discount price here. And a tax price here. But how is this final amount calculated? If I click this cell, I can see the formula written here. It takes the price of the items from the B column. Then subtract the discount amount, which is this C7 cell. And then add the tax amount, which is this F8 cell. And that's how we get this final amount. However, it's difficult to visualize this formula with the data placed all over the Excel sheet. Formula could be longer than this, and then it may become more difficult to visualize it. What if there was a tool that could easily tell us which cells are used in a formula? There is one such tool in MS Excel. Let's see how to use that. First of all, I will click this cell, where the formula is written. Then I will click this Formulas button. And then click this Trace Precedents button. Now you can see that the Trace Precedents option draws arrows from those cells that are used in this formula and points the arrows toward the cell where the formula is written. So just by looking, we know that this formula is made of B2 cell, C7 cell, and F8 cell. To remove the arrows, just click this Remove Arrows button. Now I will click this cell. And click the Trace Precedents option again. And there you go, we can easily see which cells are used in its formula. There is one more interesting feature here. If I click this tax amount cell, and then click this Trace Dependents option here, then we can see which formulas use this tax amount. So we can see that all these cells use the tax amount in their formulas. Similarly, I will click this discount cell here. And then click the Trace Dependents option. There you go, now we see which cells use this discount amount in their formulas. The Trace Dependents option basically tells us which formulas are dependent on this cell. So that's it. That's how you can use the Trace Precedents and Dependents features in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.